this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off power saving mode on your Windows 11 computer. Now, it's really easy to do, so let's jump straight into it. The first step is to open up your Start menu and then click on Settings. Over in the left-hand side, select System, and then scroll down and click on Power and Battery. Now scroll down to the Power mode and click on the drop-down arrow. Make sure Plugged In is set to Best Performance, and also make sure On Battery is set to Best Performance as well. Scroll down and click on Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts, and make sure all of these different options are set to Never. Now you need to do the same for Plugged In and also On the Battery as well. You could then scroll down to the Energy Saver and click on the drop down arrow. Make sure Energy Saver is turned off and disabled like this. Click on the drop down arrow and select Never from the list. And also uncheck lower screen brightness when using Energy Saver. Now there's one more thing we need to do, so close out of this window, open up the Start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window. In the top right hand side, click on the drop down arrow and select Large Icons. You can then press Power Options. Now click on Change Plan Settings, make sure all of these options are set to Never, and then go and press Save Changes. And that's how to disable power saving on your Windows 11 computer.